When I opened my door this morning, I saw a package. The strange thing was, I didn't order anything. There was no name on the box. And no note. I looked around, but nobody was there. I picked up the package and brought it inside. I put it on the kitchen table. I was nervous. But I was also curious. Who sent it? Why was it at my door? I looked at the box again. Nothing. No name. No address. Only a small black mark on one corner. I walked to the window. Maybe I could see who left it. The street was quiet. A few cars passed by. But nobody looked familiar. I went back to the table. The package was still there. Waiting. I touched the box carefully. It was light. Very light. What could be inside? After a few minutes, I decided to open it. Slowly, I pulled the tape away. I lifted the top of the box. Inside, there was only one thing. A small silver key. I stared at it. It looked old. I turned it over in my hand. There was a number on it. 27. That was all. No message. No explanation. Just a key. I was about to put the key back into the box. Then my phone rang. I looked at the screen. Unknown number. For a moment, I didn't answer. The phone kept ringing. Finally, I picked up. Hello? I said. There was silence. Then a voice spoke softly. Did you find the key? I froze. My heart started beating faster. Who is this? I asked. But the call ended. I looked at the key again. Number 27. Suddenly, I remembered something. Apartment 27. The apartment next to my grandmother's old building. The place nobody had lived in for years. I looked out the window. Someone was standing across the street, watching my house. And then they walked away. The key was still in my hand. And I knew I had to find out what it opened. The end. See you next time.